What is up, you guys? Welcome to your 24th tutorial of programming in C, and we have included the string.h library as well. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you two functions related to a string. One is to copy one string into another, and another function will join the two strings together. So let's get started. Let's first of all declare two strings because we will be needing two for both of the two, functions. Let's give 100 for each, and first I'll show you how to copy the string in A in B. So let's first of all tell our users to enter a string. No please this time because I'm too lazy to type, and we use get s. Okay, remember get s, and we type A because we are storing it in A. Now, to copy this in B, we use the function called strcpy. And remember, we can use this function because we have included the string.h library. If we haven't included this library, we cannot use this function. So in this function, this function actually takes two parameters. Now, whatever we type inside these brackets inside a function are called parameters. Okay, they are also called as arguments, but parameters sounds better than arguments. Even a is a parameter for getS function. So this function takes two parameters, as I said. One will be the string in which we want to copy the string, and the other parameter will be the string from which we want to copy it. So this function, what it will do is that it will take the string from the second variable and store it inside the first. Okay, so our work is done. The only work remains is to print out, of course. So let's go ahead and print %s for string, and let's print b because we want to check if b has been updated or not. And let's type something stupid like oh my god, and it says OMG. Okay, so this program may look pretty dumb, but you can actually use it to back up your strings into other variables, so that if you want to update A later on in your program, you will always have the original string stored in B because of this function. So that's how string copy works, strcpy, don't forget. And let's get ahead with our other function. And in this function, we are actually going to take two strings as inputs, and we are actually going to join it. So let's say if you are making an application and you ask the user for his first name and last name. Now what you want to do is that you want to join the first name and last name, and you want to print out for him. So let's ask for two strings this time, and let's add an s so that it looks sensible. And we will use to get s this time because we are actually going to take two strings from our users, and let's store this in b. Now what are we going to do is that we will join these two strings into one, and to do that we have this function called strcat, string concatenate. Okay, and even this function takes two parameters. So the two parameters you probably guessed is a comma b. Now what this will do is that, okay, it will concatenate these two strings, and it will store it in a. So it will actually update the value of a to both these strings we entered. Okay, so the only thing remaining here is to print out a, because a will be updated after this function. And remember, we can use this function because we have included our string.h library. So let's print out a, and let's run this and see. So let's say we have to enter first name and last name. So let's enter Harry, and I'll give a space here so that after concatenating it will actually show a space and it won't join the two words. Okay, so enter and pod enter. So now it joins both these strings in and stores it in A, and when it prints out A it gives us the joined form of the strings, which is Harry Potter. Pretty cool, huh? So this is how you can concatenate strings and also copy it, so that if A gets updated, you always have one copy of A. Let's say you declare another string, say C, and you use the strcpy function to copy A, so you will always have the original in C. And even after updating, you will have access to the first name as well. So that's how you use string functions, and probably in the next tutorials I'll start talking about functions. Okay, so that's all, you guys. I think I'll stop talking about arrays and strings. That's all I wanted to teach you. So thanks for watching, and we meet in the next video.